In order to use Pro mode in camera on Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all, we just have to open the camera app. And then over here, we should be able to go to More, and we should be able to find the Pro mode. We have Pro, which is for photos, and Pro Video for, obviously, videos. Now, over here, we have access to our different parameters that, of course, we can adjust, as it is usually the case with the Pro mode. But if you are not certain what they do, then let me try to quickly explain. We're going to start from the left side. Over here we have ISO, which controls how sensitive the sensor is to light. A low ISO keeps your photo clear in bright light, and a higher ISO helps in low light conditions. But if you add too high, if the value of ISO is too high, then of course this can result in noise or grain added to our photos. And of course we can slide to the left and to the right in order to adjust the ISO, and if you tap on manual over here, then you can switch it back to automatic. There is also the S, which is the shutter speed, and the shutter speed decides how long the camera sensor is open to capture light. Slow shutter speeds let in more light, which is good, for example, for night shots, but it can blur motion, and fast speeds freeze action. And here, just like before, we can move left and right to manually adjust the shutter speed, and you can also tap on manual in order to switch back to automatic. Then you have this plus with a minus, and this is exposure, which allows you to adjust the overall brightness of your image. So it's a quick way to make your photos darker or lighter. And this is the only parameter that is not automatic. We can only manually adjust it, and you can use the circle in order to reset to 0. AF is the autofocus. F in general is focus, of course, and focus allows you to set exactly what should be sharp in your photos. So if we move to the left side, we focus on smaller subjects, and if we move to the right side, we focus on bigger subjects as well. So if you are interested in just keeping what is pretty much right in front of the camera, if you want only that part of the photo to be sharp, then of course you can move all the way to the left side over here, for example, and use these low values. And if you want to, you can of course switch it to automatic back again by tapping on MF over here. There we go. And there is also WB, which is the white balance, and it adjusts the color temperature so whites look white and colors look natural. So in here, if we move to the left side, we have more cool colors, more bluish colors. And then if we move to the right side, we have warmer colors or orange-ish colors. And here we can also set it back to automatic by tapping on the manual over here. Now keep in mind that if you need to remind yourself about these parameters, you can tap on this eye icon that we have on the left side. For each of these options, these parameters, we have a quick explanation of these parameters, so you can quickly remind yourself what they do in case you forget it in the future. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.